Speaking to a woman holding a jug of milk, she's inviting him for a cup of tea. He's accepted that jug of milk. I'm not sure whether he's going to have it or not. He's a friendly guy. He's shaking hands. He's smiling at people. He's talking about children. He's talking to women. It's something he does pretty naturally, or at least has learned to do naturally. It's something that will work in his favor. How far? It's something that, of course, the election results in 2012 will tell us. Entire assignment for the SPG has been a bit of a nightmare. He just takes off without informing them. In fact, we in the media also don't know where he's headed next. All we know is he's going to Tappal. Rest, we are on a Padyatra as well. There's the SPG, of course. There's a huge contingent of the media which is adding to the numbers. On his way back now for a mini panchayat at the village temple. Just telling you, there almost seems to be a tacit understanding with Mayawati that the decibel levels of this entire Padyatra will be low. In return, she will make sure that there are no hiccups for this yatra. It's going to culminate into that Mahapanchayat on Saturday. Let's see how many people turn up. But by the looks of it, he is fairly popular.
After impromptu stops during the day, Rahul spent the night at a villager's house, sleeping on a cot and having a simple dinner, roti, sabzi and chaach. The villagers scrambled to make him feel at home. Arrangements also made for his security detail.
जब आए थे तो ऊपर वो सो गए और कोई बिस्तर भी नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, बारिश का डर था, तो फिर वो नीचे भी इंतजाम किया जी, और वो फिर सो गए। 11 बजे खाना खा के वो सो गए।
अरहर की दाल थी, भिंडी की सब्जी थी, बस कितनी रोटियां खाई था उन्होंने? 3 या 4 रोटी खाई थी।
उन्होंने हमको आश्वासन दिया कि हम इस पर राज्य सरकार पर अपना दबाव बनाएंगे और यहाँ का जो बाजार मूल्य है हमारी जमीन का वो हमको दिलवाएंगे। वोट कांग्रेस को जाएगा।
गांव में पदयात्रा कर रहे हैं तो शख्सियत तो उनकी एक महान है ही है, बाकी क्षेत्र की जनता, युवा सब उनके साथ।
But some villagers aren't quite impressed with Rahul's Padyatra. Take a listen.
2-3 बीघा जमीन है वो भी ले लगे और बालक ने के ब्याह शादी का में होंगे। कितनी ये मायावती ने इतनी हद कर रखी है। ये पैदल फर्क पड़ेगा कानून से, कानून किसान के हित में होगी तो वोट मिलेगी।